You can see the old fence line in the field.
Yeah.
That's kind of that's the property line that goes straight up through there. We're gonna go back and find the corner post. But anyways, this is where this camper is. Here, I'm thinking about taking all these trees out here and making just a big food plot right here.
Okay.
After we clear the camper and stuff.
Old shagbark hickory right there.
The hickory, the oak, the maple, those I'm fine, but we got these beech, and these other ones are basswood.
Those are the ones you want to take out.
Those are crap, but the stuff doesn't even burn. I cut up one that's been down for a year and a half, and it just like smolders. This woods have been logged, I don't know, obviously before we have. And like we did, we logged the other part of it. We take out the good wood, and all the crap, you know, basswood and beech just keep growing up. And so some of these bigger ones I thought about, what's it called where you cut around the edge? Girthing. That's
yeah, you just go all the way around.
Yeah,
it.
you just got to cut in like an inch.
Yeah, there's room to put a food plot in here.
Well, I'll bring the excavator and clean all this garbage up.
Yeah, that is over there. That is.
Tom, that's the biggest hinge cut I've ever seen. Congratulations. We're gonna get a trophy made up for you. Biggest hinge cut tree ever.
I think I got the squirrel flying championship.
That's the first tree he's got. Trying to drop a tree on that camper. Oh, he just missed! Come on! No! So close! Oh, that's still standing. Oh, he got it. That was awesome. Oh, 2 in a row!
That was cool. I've never done that before. Hey, are we having fun yet? It says on the door.
The sticker. The bumper.